How to send a PDF file on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a PDF file on Instagram app. Now, the quickest and easiest way is to head over to your device files and there locate the PDF file that you want to send. I have one on my downloads. You can see 3 PDF files here. That is just a sample. Now open it up, and once you open this, what you want to do is take a quick screenshot of the sample. You can take a screenshot by simply tapping and holding or pressing and holding the power button and volume down button, and the screenshot will be taken. And then what you want to do is head over to Instagram direct messages, open the Instagram app and head into your chats, and then open it up and tap on the gallery icon here and choose the screenshot that you just took and send it. So this is the quickest way you can send a PDF on Instagram, because there is no any option to share a PDF file on Instagram. The second way, however, is to use third-party apps or other apps like Gmail or any other sharing options that you can share PDF file through. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.